Welcome to the Wisconsin Vegetable Gardener. I'm Joey Baird. We are not in the backyard garden today. We are at our property in the North Woods of Wisconsin for a special project. We are going to install a telescoping flagpole from Eagle Mountain Flag Company. We reached out to them and said we would like to put a flag on our property, and you may choose to put one on your property, whether it's a camping site, a permanent campsite, a deer camp, or in your front or backyard. And they were more than gracious to work with us and donate the products that you're going to see. So there's some things in which we and you will need to do based on the instructions in order to make this work and be very proud of the product in which you have to display the American flag. So whatever diameter your post is, you want to go 2 to 3 inches on both sides, larger in the hole for the expanding post lock, the expanding foam, which is the equivalent of what concrete is, but it's a much quicker setting material, and you can get your flagpole up a lot quicker. Now you can use concrete, that's up to your discretion, but this is a product in which you can get. This is the stop bolt. You don't want to take that out. This is the ground sleeve. It's a 2-foot ground sleeve. So what I've done is I have dug the hole 36 inches deep and about 9 to 10 inches across. That'll give the expanding foam plenty of opportunity to do what it needs to do and lock this ground sleeve in the ground. In the bottom of the hole, I have put I put rocks in the bottom of the hole. This is what we have, and I've got it to a level base to where this ground sleeve protrudes about 1 inch above ground level. You can use pea gravel, you can use road rock, whatever you want to do to have a base there. That's up to you. This is what we have, so this is what we're using. So I want to get the post about center, and then you also want to have a level in which you can, as the foam is expanding, you can make sure everything's square so your post, your flag's going to look right. So there's a 2-part epoxy in this, A and B. And what you want to do is you want to take and remove the cap of A and put it in the content or in the bottle of B, vigorously mix it for 20 to 30 seconds, and then begin to pour. Once that is accomplished, you're going to, as you pour and you level, you want to hold this down. Side note, this is a removable cap that, when in shipment, is on the bottom. You want to put this on the top so you don't get any content in here which would cause problems with your flagpole sliding in and out. So as it's expanding, you're going to have a level on it, and then you're going to let it set for 20 to 30 minutes or until it's not tacky anymore, and then you can cut with a shovel or a knife or a saw the excess foam that has come out, okay, and then you're good to go. So we want to make sure that, mix that up, mix this up. Now I want to take and put A into B. They do provide gloves for you, and then once this is all in there, you're going to shake for 20 to 30 to 40 seconds until a cream color is created in the B bottle. Then we move quickly because it's a time-sensitive thing. Already begin to see the cream color emerge here. Yep. Okay, now we're going to move quickly. Evenly pour it around post or the ground sleeve. Okay, so it's been about 20 minutes. It didn't quite fill all the way up, and that was partially my mistake because I didn't use pea gravel and some of the expanding foam went down into the larger rocks, but it's still very firm, and I can backfill with the soil there that I have left over, and there'll be no issue. Now, if you were in this situation and felt like you wanted to top it off with concrete, you can certainly do that. That's up to your discretion. So that will be the next move I make. I'm going to fill in the top here, compact it really nice, and then we'll get the flagpole. Okay, so we have the dark bronze color and the gold ball on top, the decorative ball. Now you can get a solar light that would illuminate your flag all night long, but since we're just going to have it up when we are up here and not have it when we're displayed when we're not here, we'll take it down. That was not an option that we chose to exercise. So you can do your half mast or your full mast, and we have a 3-foot by 5-foot American flag. So, oh, there we go. And you're just going to clip it in these clips very easily. It's a very windy day, so this should work quite well. I don't want it to touch the ground. So let's do it this way just so I'm safe on that. Now, if this is not something, an American flag, you want to display, and you don't want to put it in your yard, they do have a tire mount for a flagpole in which you can take to your football or NASCAR race or whatever and display support your favorite team. So now the way it goes up is it's a twist and lock. Okay, and it's locked there. So then we go up another one. Twist and lock. And our final one. There we go, twist and lock. And the time we want this flag to be displayed, the wind dies down. But Eagle Mountain Flag is the company, American made products. EagleMountainFlag.com is the website. Much and many thanks to them for allowing us to display on our property American flag, and you can get one for yourself. Description is in the show notes or the description below of the link, and there's the flag being displayed.